Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on or off emergency alerts. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is go into settings and scroll down until you see notifications. You just want to tap on that and then select advanced settings. So once you're on here, just scroll right down to the bottom and you should see wireless emergency alerts. So just tap on that, and usually this will be turned on, but you can obviously just toggle the off button at the top and that'll turn off all alerts. Or if you turn that back on, you'll have the option of extreme alerts or severe alerts as well. So you can disable severe alerts if you wish to do so, which means severe threats to life and property, but extreme alerts will remain on. You can also change your alert preferences, so you can either have vibration enabled, or you can obviously disable that. You can turn on alert reminder, so you can change that to once every 2 minutes or every 15 minutes. And you can also toggle on speak alert message. So this just means use text to speak emergency alert messages. So you can obviously just enable that as well if you wish to do so. So that's how you can turn on or off emergency alerts. Thanks for watching.